Does AI understand neurodivergence? This is coming from a question that is, does AI understand neurodivergence conversations? And I think it does. Here's why. When I was getting diagnosed, going through the process of getting diagnosed, I was asking a lot of questions to ChatGPT and other models. And after I got diagnosed, I started to ask more particular questions and gave it more context of what's going on with what's within my head. So when I said I was dyslexic, it said I can break stuff down in more shorter blocks of text and keep them shorter. And when it gives me a list, it gives me a point list. And with being autistic, it gave me more direct words. And being ADHD, it's a hit and miss for me. And what I mean by hit and miss is how it works for me is I know over the place. So if I give it one set of ideas, it sticks to that. But if I change it to another set of ideas, it changes style and thought process. That's good and bad. What I mean by good and bad is it's good that it changes with me, but bad it changes with me at the same time. I want it, and I've been working on this myself. I don't know how effective this prompt is, but I have put in my system prompt is after 2 to 4 terms, remind me what I was originally talking about, so it will nudge me back to where I was before, so I don't get too far off track. But I think it does understand neurodivergence for those reasons, and little background information about that is what ChatGPT and our models do is they take the whole context, give it, and predicts the next word or token, and it goes through that process over and over again every time it creates a word for you. So it predicts the next word should come next. So it does understand, but it doesn't understand it. It understands it in a way where it's useful, but it doesn't understand it from lived experience because it's a machine and it's being programmed to understand the internet and people's questions, people's instructions. It does not understand lived experience yet. I don't think it can either because it's a machine. And I think we can simulate how people live, but I don't think it will either truly understand neurodivergence or truly understand neurotypical people or non-autistic people, or you can go anonymous, and I don't think it will truly understand, but it does and can help people with their understanding of what's going on. And yeah, I gave it actually a lot of questions I had about myself, and a lot of questions about life questions I had for quite a while. So it helps me, but does it truly understand? No. But I still would recommend people to actually seek proper official people and get properly diagnosed. But if you're in between sessions and you have questions, ask it. And if you're getting yourself diagnosed, I would say ask ChatGPT or other models, like, where do I start? What should I expect? Not get an official diagnosis from that, yes. I think it's actually recognized, but at least you can get going on that if you're seeking diagnosis, if you're doing self-diagnosis. It's a great tool. I think it would help you, but I think you're looking for official. It will not help you. You get that official, proper documentations that you probably need. Probably would be going to your person in your area that would be actually is officially um, can do that for you. Because ChatGPT, as far as I know, does not hold any recognized things that would qualify it to be a professional person in this regard. So it's a good start. And if you're trying to figure out if you know you do first, it's a good start, a good place to start, but not the last place. And also, if you've been diagnosed or you're trying to figure out stuff out, I think it's a good place to go. But I still would recommend you go talk to a human with this stuff. But it doesn't understand divergence conversations. Yes, it does. But like what I said, with being it predicts the next word, not truly understand. So it's actually up to you if you agree with what I say or disagree. And I would like to hear your comments. Please read them in the comment section below. Please like if you like this video. If you don't like it, hit the unlike button. If you're not subscribed, which most people are not, I would recommend you to subscribe for more videos like this coming from me and other shorts. I have actually quite a few shorts. I know that's for a while. So if you're looking for short form content that is related to this stuff, that's a great place to go. Check out the rest of my channel. And yeah, anyway, everyone, have a good night or good day.